Your floors are slowly dying, and your current buffer is the murderer. Today we expose 2025's top 5 floor buffing machines, and number 3 eliminates swirl marks in just one pass. From gym floor power to quiet home models, one of these will make your floors look better than new. Wait till you see what number 2 can do. Starting at number 1. Prolux Core is a heavy-duty floor cleaner. The Prolux Core is a heavy-duty floor cleaner that can handle any floor surface. It features a 50-feet extension cord, adjustable handle, large rubber wheels, and scrubs in both directions for a deeper clean. The core uses a random orbit motor to avoid swirl and sanding marks on your floors. It comes in a deluxe version with cleaning pads for nearly every floor surface, including carpet cleaning. Number 2. Sanitmax Floor Buffer Machine. The Sanitmax Floor Buffer is designed to make your cleaning tasks quicker and more efficient. With its powerful 2.0 HP motor, you can expect consistent performance at 175 RPM, ensuring effective cleaning across various floor types, especially in busy areas. Its large 17-inch brush diameter allows you to cover more ground with each pass, cleaning up to 4,300 square feet per hour. You won't have to worry about constant refills thanks to the generous 3.4-gallon water tank, which supports extended cleaning sessions. Plus, the durable 43-foot power cord gives you the freedom to move around large spaces without needing to unplug frequently. Number 3. Oreck Commercial Orbiter Hard Floor Cleaner. The Oreck Commercial Orbiter Hard Floor Cleaner machine is a multi-purpose cleaner that can sand, refinish, strip, scrub, wax, and polish all types of flooring surfaces. Its brush head rotates in a random orbital pattern to prevent brush marks, swirls, sanding marks, and gouges, making it easy to maneuver. It can also deep clean carpets without leaving a soapy or sticky residue, and it's safe for use in homes with children and pets. The 50-feet cord allows for easy movement between rooms without the need to unplug. The package includes an Oreck Commercial 12 inches driver pad holder, 53178-51-0327. Number 4. Prolux Core Floor Buffer Machine. The Prolux Core Heavy-Duty Single-Pad Commercial Polisher Floor Buffer Machine Scrubber is a versatile and convenient option for any floor surface. It includes a 50-foot commercial-grade extension cord that saves time and an industry-first industrial-grade telescopic wand that makes height adjustments easy for users of any size. The random orbit motor avoids any damage to your floors, and it comes equipped with a heavy-duty scrubbing brush for hard surfaces from tile to concrete. Number 5. Viper VN1715 Venom Series Buff Machine. The Viper VN1715 Venom Series Buff Machine is an all-steel, triple planetary gearbox machine designed to clean and polish floors. It features easy-to-use fingertip controls, a motor-mounted pad driver storage, and a powerful 1.5 horsepower, 66-frame motor that operates at 175 RPM. The buffer comes with a 50-foot power cable and a 16-inch pad driver. So which floor-saving hero are you choosing? Battle it out in the comments. Down arrow all the best deals, including limited-time discounts, are polished and waiting below. If this video saved your floors from disaster, buff that like button, share with a flooring friend, and subscribe. We're revealing 2025's best pressure washer next week. Now go make those floors glow.